Hey y'all, Diamond Painted Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? Let me move these scissors. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I'm Diamond Painted Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. My name is Debbie. Or Deborah. Everybody calls me Deborah. I have some unboxings. You're gonna see me in the same shirt because I'm doing them back to back, okay? So, because I want to get this done, because y'all gonna see why. I have my Diamond Art Club order came in today. Yes. No, I lie. It came in last night. My Diamond Art Club order came in last night. Today is Saturday. It came in Friday. And I'm gonna do an unboxing for y'all of each one of them separately. Okay. Okay. So the first one we have is, it's a round drill. It's called Aurora of the Dragonfly, and it's by T.S. Larking, and I hope I'm saying that right. But it's a dragonfly, and it's a 20 by 27 inch, 20 inch by 27 inch, and it is a round drill. Look how pretty that is. I can't wait to open it. So we're gonna do that now. Let's look into this. Let's see if I can do this. This. So, yeah, everything that I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be linked in the description portion of the video, but I'm pretty sure right now they're out of most of it. I'm not even sure what they have left, or all of it. I'm not even sure, but it will be back in stock. So y'all just put your little email address in there and it's gonna notify you when they're back in stock. So open it. Y'all, oh my god, I can't even wait. So this is the sticker. This is the sticker for it. You can put these in your logbook, or you can put them on the end of the box, or whatever you want to do with it. We have a toolkit, and we're going to open it because I want to see what kind of cover minder and washi tape I got. Because we all know they come with the pen and wax. So everybody knows that. Well, color pen is a great surprise. We won't know that. It's probably pretty though. They're always cute. I love them. Ah. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, stuff flying at me. Okay. Anyway, we have some baggies here. We have some washi tape. We have a cover minder, and it's an orange macaroon, which I have a couple of these already, but still cute. I love them. I love the macaroons. An orange single placer and a squishy to go on the pin. Two heart-shaped plates of wax in a container. We have a 4-placer. And we do have a 7-placer, but my 7-placer fell on the ground. So I don't know where it went. And we do have a boat with a stopper for your drills. And this one has a stopper. Diamond Art Club, they have great canvases. Their canvases are really soft. I love them. I mean, they have scalloped edges and poked edges. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody knows that, but you know, I'm leaving this cover minder out. And the washi tape, because I do use washi tape. Some people don't, but I do. I section off my canvases, and it comes in really handy for me. So yeah, now we're gonna open the canvas. I'll try not to tear it. Oh, good God. I try not to damage it, the paper too much. Put that back in there. We're gonna unroll her and we're gonna check her out. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm not playing. She's gorgeous. Okay, so Diamond Art Club comes with a little pamphlet. It has everything. If you scan the QR codes, it gives you codes and 20% off your first purchase through the app. As you can see down there, if you scan the QR codes, it has some codes to get some percentages off, and all the directions and instructions in this little booklet right here. Tells you all about them, tells you their Instagram, all that. Just scan the QR codes and they'll give you and show you everything you need to know. And like I said, this is a round drill. Super stoked to work on it. I'm going to show y'all all the drills in a minute. This canvas has 62 colors, and this is the big sticker for it. Look at that, how gorgeous. And it's a Diamond Art Club again, and it is 20 inches by 27 inches. Right, yeah, 20 by 27 inches. And look at that thing, how pretty. So you can put your start date and end date on here. And then that's all the colors. Like those pretty colors though. Beautiful colors. Love it. So pretty. Love it. All right, now I'm gonna show y'all the canvas. In this canvas, like I said, they have 62 colors. And this canvas is really soft, and it says, "Do It Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club." It has scalloped and poked edges so they don't unravel. Buttery, soft canvases. They do lay flat. They have schematic, I call it schematics. People call it legends. They have legend on the left-hand top and the right-hand bottom. So they have two legends on these canvases. And this is the canvas. I'm going to show y'all slow so y'all can see that. Look at those colors. They're amazing. The rendering is beautiful. I love it. Y'all, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous. It's a dragonfly, and in the background has a dream catcher. Beautiful canvas. I love it, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's gorgeous. Look at how pretty those colors are. I love it. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna hold it up from afar so y'all can see it. Look at that. Look at those colors. Holy moly. It's beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love that. I mean, look at those colors up close in that dragonfly. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Look at the moon. Look at that. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous canvas. I was so lucky to grab this. I'm telling y'all, I thought I was going to get cart snatched. Oh, I thought they were going to sell out, and I was able to get all three of the ones I wanted. Thank goodness. Because look how pretty. So, let me see how many ABs are in here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 4 ABs. I think we have 1, 2, 3 special drill, 3, 4, 5 special drills. I think we have 5 special drills in this, and we're gonna, let me look at this right now. So, do we, or it's just ABs? We may not have special drills. It may just be ABs. I don't know. To be honest, I'm gonna try to open it without taking them all out. So let me see. I'm just seeing, I don't know what these Z colors are, what Z is. It says Z3, they got 1, 2, 3 with Z's and 2 with E's. I don't know exactly what that is. Maybe they're glow in the dark. I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know, because I'm really not sure. It doesn't say. I'm gonna have to go read the description again. But I'm trying to see if I can see anything different in these colors. I don't right now at this moment. I just do see the ABs though. But I'm gonna show y'all the colors, so hold y'all ears. These are the colors. I don't want to take them all out because I'll never put them back. But look at those pretty colors. They are gorgeous. So many pretty colors. I mean, they have a lot of pretty colors. Purples, pinks, yellows, aquas, golds, lots of purples, blues, oranges, and of course the ABs. Some blues, some blacks, some 939s. No, that's not black, that's dark blue. 336s or dark purple, whichever one of them. 310s, that's black. So yes, y'all, look at that. Those are so pretty. I love it. I can't wait to work on this one. I say that with all of them. I probably might kit up this one. Not sure. I may kit it up. It's not too big of a project. So I may kit it up. And here it is again. Also, Diamond Art Club does have their Facebook and Instagram information at the bottom of each canvas. And it gives the warranty as well. The warranty on the canvases. So, Diamond Art Club is known very well for their canvases and their warranty. And if you, because I'm gonna tell y'all, I had a boo-boo bad, and on the project Coral Castle that I'm working on right now, I bought it from an individual, and this was not her fault by any means. The mailman, or I think it was UPS, I don't remember if it was the mail or UPS. When I got it in, all of my beads, like all of my packs of beads like this, the majority of them were the majority. When I tell y'all there was busted and everywhere in this whole bag, I had to lay them all on my counter and save what I could. And I mean, there was a lot because there was more than one. If y'all know what Coral Castle is, the canvas Coral Castle, y'all go look that thing up and see how many colors they got in there. And when I tell y'all these colors were everywhere, they was everywhere. And I was so upset with the mailman. It wasn't even funny. But it probably wasn't just his fault because, I mean, it switched from hand to hand or whatever. But I was upset. I hardly didn't have any of the drills to finish my canvas. And I'm going to tell y'all, I emailed Diamond Art Club to see if I could purchase some. And they definitely let me purchase some. And I was so ecstatic because they didn't have to do that. Diamond Art Club did not have to do that because when you sell a painting when you buy one from an individual and not them, it voids the warranty. I'm gonna tell y'all now, it voids the warranty. So my warranty, whatever, was voided. I had no warranty. The reason why I bought this canvas from this person was because I didn't know when it was gonna come back, and this was last year. So it didn't come back till just recently, if I'm not mistaken. But a long story short, Diamond Art Club is amazing. Amazing. They're just amazing people, amazing company, amazing with their warranty, amazing with helping you out. They immediately answered me. They immediately helped me, and the guy's name was Michael. And Michael, if you are gonna watch this, or you watching this, maybe you never watch this, but I just want to say thank you very much to y'all. Y'all are amazing people, just plain amazing. I mean, y'all amazing. There's nothing else more I can say. So if you have not purchased the Diamond Art Club, I know they're expensive. Some people cannot afford it. I understand that. But if you ever get a chance to buy one, please do so. You will not regret it. I promise you, you won't regret it. Anyway, enough of that. Enough of that. One more time. This is Aurora of the Dragonfly by Diamond Art Club. And the artist is T.S. Larking. L-A-R-K-I-N-G. King. Larking. So, I'm going to show it to y'all one last time. Amazing, 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 amazing. So that does it for this video, you guys. Like I said, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, comment, do all that good stuff. Also go check out Diamond Art Club. I'm gonna link them below in the description portion of this video. They're awesome. And Diamond Painting with Amanda, I'm gonna also link her channel in the description portion below. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love y'all. Bye.